Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove unwanted edges in Photoshop. So here is the sample of image. You guys can see it has not clear background cut it. So you guys can see it has uh, unwanted background edges. So we want to remove this. So I'm gonna tell you the easiest and quickest method to reduce these unwanted edges on your images. So you guys don't have to worry about it. You guys have to simply go to this filter section above. So after tapping on that, here you guys have to simply go to the last option, which is other. So in the other, it will provide you a drop down menu. You guys have to simply select the minimum option, which is second last. So after tapping on that, it will provide you this kind of menu. So here you guys have to simply add the value of radius. The by default it is 1. So you guys have to expand it as much as you can. So you guys have to simply increase it slightly and check. It will basically remove the unwanted edges from your images. So you guys will be able to see after that sometime. So I'm selecting this to 3. So in this way you guys will be able to see you guys can remove unwanted edges on Photoshop for free. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.